Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer files from any phone to Android phone, should mention, to any Realme GT Neo 3 series phones. So in order to do this, we'll need to open Google Play Store on both of the devices, and now let's search for one app on each of the phones. We'll be looking for an app called Send Anywhere. Now on this phone I already have it downloaded, but I'm gonna update it. Here let's do the same, Send Anywhere. Let's install it. We can open this app on this device. Here we'll need to grant access and allow this app for multiple purposes, and now we should see something like this. Do the same thing for this phone. There might be some ads, so here it is, and here it is. Now, for example, I'll be sending some files from this phone to this phone, and that's very easy way to do this, and I would recommend using it when you just want to transfer your old device to this new Realme GT Neo 3. So now let's see all of the possibilities on this, and the first one is recent, and you can see all the recent files that somebody sent to you, or you simply have on your phone and recently got it. Next is photos, and here you'll be able to pick photos for this to send from this phone to this phone. There's also videos, audio clips, apps, contacts and files. So for contacts and files you will need to allow additional access. So let's just, for example, send some cat videos to this phone, and I selected each of the file that I want to send like this. Now let's go for a send button, and sorry, I refreshed, and there it is. So let's click on it, send files. Now we should see this code right here. Now we can move to the receive tab, since we'll be receiving files on this phone, and we should see enter the key. Click on the text pool and enter the code right here. You can also share these files by a link or scan this QR code. I'm gonna do it by a code because that's very simple for me. Let's click OK. Now we should start receiving files. And here they are. Now let's click on them. Let's check this picture of a cat. So as you can see, that works very well, and it allows you for a quick transfer between devices. Either you want to send some files or pictures or whatever, or even transfer your devices between them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.